Good morning, students. I am Uma Maheshwari. Today we are going to see ninth standard biology unit 17 animal kingdom. After this completing this lesson, student will be able to understand animal kingdom, different group of animals, identify and study the group of animals, list out the general characteristics based on the genera of organization, type of symmetry, coelom, various body activity. Recognize that binomial classification has Latin and Greek words. Identify the first name genus and second name species. Student has to recall the features of phylum. The phylum is studied in 8th standard. Variety of living organisms are surrounding us is incomprehensible. Incomprehensible means cannot understandable. That much organisms are living surrounding us. Innumerable, uncountable organisms are present. Nearly 1.5 million of species of organisms which have been described or different from one another. The uniqueness is due to the diversity in the life form, whether the microbes, plants or animals. Each organism exhibits variation in the external and internal structure or function, mode of living, etc. This versatile nature among the living animals form the basis of diversity. Differences. Versatile means differences. The diversity among the living organisms can be studied. Effective way of arranging animals. The effective way of arranging animals in orderly and systematic manner. The study of various organisms would be difficult without the suitable method of classification. Without classification, this number of organisms we cannot study easily. So, classification is very important. The method of arranging organisms into group on the basis of similarities and differences is called classification. The method of arranging organisms. Organism is arranged into group, small group. That group is basis of similarity, same character and some differences is called classification. Taxonomy is the science of classification. Taxonomy is the deals with the classification, science of branch of science. Taxonomy is a branch of science that deals with the classification, which makes the study of variety of organisms easily. It helps us to understand the relationship among the different group of animals. Different animals are grouped into different small group. These grouped arranged differences and relationship some same character. For example, similarities and differences of group of animals is classification. The first systematic approach of classification, first coined by Swedish botanist Carolus Linnaeus. He generated standard system for naming the organism term, genus, species and more extensive group Latin terms he found. Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. He made the classification, so that he is the father of taxonomy. The taxonomy hierarchy, the kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. The hierarchy is uh, studying lower to higher. Lowermost category is a species. Classification is the ordering of organisms into group, and the basis are their similarities and differences. The five kingdom classification are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. These groups are formed based on cell structure, mode of nutrition, body organization and reproduction. On the basis of hierarchy of classification, are the organisms separated into what are they? Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. The hierarchy is the studying lower to higher. The lowest taxonomic category or lowest taxonomic category is species. For example, large Indian parakeet Pistacula equiptera. The green parrot is Pistacula crameri. The Pistacula crameri is Pistacula equiptera is a scientific name, botanical name. Scientific name. The two different species of birds, they belong to different species. Equiptera and crameri is a cannot interbreed because the Equiptera and crameri, green parrot and Indian parakeet is a different species. They cannot interbreed. Interbreed means among them they cannot reproduce. Next level is genus. It is a group of closely related species which constitute the next higher category. The next two species, some species constitute the next higher category called genus. For example, Indian wolf, Canis papillis, and Indian jackal, Canis aureus, are placed in the same genus Canis. Genus, some species is constitute joint genus will come. The species of closely related species is genus. Some group of genera, a group of genus which several common character with several common character form a family. For example, leopard, tiger and cat share some common characteristics and belong to the larger cat family. Felidae, cat family, Felidae, all these are small genera. The genera group common characters form a family. The next level hierarchy is order. A number of related families having common characters are placed in an order. For example, monkey, baboons, apes and man, although belong to different families, are placed in the same order, primates. Since all these animals possess some common features, they are placed in the same order. Some families having common character are placed in the order. Some families constitute order will come. Next is some order related or similar orders together form a class. Next 11 class. The order of different animals have those of rabbit, rat, bat, whale, chimpanzee and human share some common features such as presence of skin and mammary gland. Hence, they are placed class Mammalia. Mammalia skin, presence of mammary gland and epidermal hair. They are common character. Hence, they are placed in the class Mammalia. Next level is phylum. Classes which are related with one another constitute a phylum. Classes which are related together constitute a phylum. The classes of different animals like mammals, birds, reptiles, frog and fishes constitute phylum. Chordata which have a notochord or backbone. The phylum is example. The phylum is Chordata. Next level highest category is the kingdom. It is the highest category and the largest division to which microorganism, plant and animals belong to. Each kingdom is fundamentally different from one another. Each kingdom is fundamentally different from one another but has the same fundamental characteristics in all organisms grouped under the kingdom. Under the kingdom, all the animals, plants and microbes are grouped under that kingdom. The taxa of living organism are in the hierarchy of categories are species, genus, family, order, class, phylum and kingdom. We have to study the hierarchy lower to higher. Some species joined together, genus will come. Some genus same character, similarities character form a family. Some family they may have similar character that form a order. That order will join together, class will form. Class join together, phylum will come. Some phylum join together, kingdom will come. Kingdom is the highermost hierarchy level. So kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. But we have to study lower to higher. Kingdom is the highermost level of organism. Highermost level of hierarchy. Thank you children. We'll see the next video. Thank you.